Danke bafethu, iplayer leMamelodi Sundowns uZuko-ke bafethu ukhulumile after i-draw yabo neChippa United. Uthe bekuyi-emotional game for yena because bedlala ne-former team yakhe. Uthi-ke abaqalanga igame kahle, kusho ukuthi ama-passes wabo bewangafani or bewangekho normal to ama-pass weMamelodi Sundowns yabo, cause sibonile laphana even ku-transition iChippa United beyizama ukuba-quarter off guard, to catch them off guard yabo. So ukhulumile ukuthi i-pre-season ukuthi be-short for bona or i-breakup ibe-short, uthe kuba-affectile kakhulu lokho. Uthi plus kodwa-ke ngeke bakwazi ukusebenzisa lokho as a-excuse, ba-ama-professional, kumele-ke bakwazi ukudiliva yabo. Wakhuluma nange-game against AmaZulu ukuthi kumele baziridime ngempela, badlale kahle against AmaZulu, they're looking forward to the game yabo. Sibonile iMamelodi Sundowns bafethu, njengoba bengike ngasho kwenye iklip ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns, they are not fluent as iMamelodi Sundowns lesiyijwayele ukuthi complete dominance of the game. IChippa United ibe many great moments, but Chippa United ngabe ishayile boma 2 goals plus yabo, because ba-create ama-chances amakhulu ukuthi bakore. So iMamelodi Sundowns ibonakala ishake, but they are still the team to beat ku-Betway Premiership because ama-current reigning champions. I'm sure before the end of the season, since balose uLucas Ribeiro bafowethu, before the end of this transfer market bazozama ukuthola iplayer elizokwazi eli-super talented elizokwazi ukureplace uLucas Ribeiro, because bayamkhumbula ngempela lapha nesiswini, i-creativity, spark, i-skill and everything nje about yena uLucas Ribeiro, uyi-superstar umjita, and badinga umuntu equally talented than yena, to yena or than yena yabo. So sobona ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns izodlala kanjani against AmaZulu, because i-game against AmaZulu izoba tougher than le Chippa United, because AmaZulu bane-squad esi-strong, esi-highly competitive, akusiyi-team easy ukuthi udlale nayo. But yeah, sibafisela inhlanhla abafana baseKlorkop ukuthi baziridime. Bana-1 point so far, they're looking for their first win of the season. Sobona ukuthi bazokwazi ukuyithola against AmaZulu. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe.